Ayan guys, sound check na tayo guys. Ano bang sounds mo? Pangalan mo? Budog. Budog, sounds and lights ng Paranaque. Dito tayo. Ayan. Thank you so much again. Ayan guys, to ano lang tayo guys, ang ating pang mid ay Ace powered and then ating sub is powered by Johnson. Ayan din, all Johnson na guys, EQ and crossover guys. Ayan na siya. Then ang aming mid-high is ayan, medyo kinalawang na guys. Si ano siya, Airbus. Ayan siya guys, yun ang setup natin ngayon guys. Masaya ka ba ba? Nabuo na natin yung sound system mo. Yung lagyan na lang natin ng tweeter ba? Compression drive. Kaya may shoutout at Johnson World Electronic Francis. Francis. So once again guys, kung naibigay natin yung video ngayon, huwag kalimutan subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much for watching again.